Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the devastating impact of Hurricane Milton, which has left over 1.5 million people in Florida without power. As we unpack the chaos, let's ask ourselves, how prepared are we for such natural disasters? Hurricane Milton has struck with unprecedented force, making landfall and wreaking havoc across the Sunshine State. Winds howling, rain pouring, and communities plunged into darkness. This isn't just a storm, it's a wake-up call. Have you ever wondered how these storms form and why they can be so destructive? Meteorologists have been tracking Milton's path for days, warning residents to brace for impact. But despite the warnings, are we ever truly ready? As power outages sweep through Florida, the scenes of families struggling without electricity paint a heart-wrenching picture. Hospitals, schools, and homes are affected. What happens when the lights go out? Emergency services are working tirelessly, but with resources stretched thin, how can communities support each other during such crises? Many are left wondering how they can prepare for the next storm. What essentials should be in your emergency kit? And how do we stay informed as conditions change? It's crucial for everyone to have a plan. Experts recommend keeping batteries, non-perishable food, and water on hand. These basics can make all the difference when disaster strikes. The aftermath of Hurricane Milton will undoubtedly lead to a long recovery process. Communities will need to come together, rebuilding and supporting one another. What role can local organizations and volunteers play in this effort? And how can we as individuals contribute? The damage reports are still rolling in, but one thing is clear. Storms like Milton are becoming more frequent and severe due to climate change. Are we doing enough to address the root causes of these natural disasters? It's a complex issue, and one that requires immediate attention from policymakers and citizens alike. Now, as we face the reality of these storms, let's take a moment to reflect. How can we better educate ourselves and others about hurricane preparedness? Sharing information, experiences, and strategies can empower our communities and potentially save lives. As we continue to monitor Hurricane Milton's impact, we encourage you to stay tuned for updates. Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth coverage and vital information on natural disasters. Together, we can stay informed and prepared, ensuring that when the next storm hits, we're ready to face it head-on. Remember, preparation is key, but so is community. Let's unite and support each other through these tough times. What are your thoughts on Hurricane Milton? How have you and your loved ones prepared for storms in the past? Share your experiences in the comments below. Your insights could help someone else in need. Stay safe, everyone, and we'll see you in the next update.